So, ito na po yung sinasabi kong plyometric exercises. By the way, sa plyometric exercises and yes, in general, it enhances our agility, flexibility, and our muscle strength, especially our bones from the waistline going down. Yun kasi ang importante sa atin, yung ika nga ay composure, the word is composure of our body. Okay? So, ito po ang tinatawag nating ladder. Yan po ay matagal ko nang ginawa sa loob ng mahabang panahon. And it includes 10 boxes. Itong 10 boxes na to, it serves as our ladder. Parang hagdan. Parang maglalakad dito sa baba, hagdan. And ang kailangan lang po dito unang-una ay concentration, okay? Balance. Kasi hindi po pwede pagka ginawa natin yung isang activity, tayo nakayuko, baka tayo mapasubasob at hindi naman yung talagang hiyad na hiyad. Just relax lang, and feel comfortable. Okay? And isa pang maganda dito sa ladder ay it really helps us to be more active, So, ngayon, dito, 10 boxes. Once we perform an activity, it depends upon the situation. How? Kung saan po tayo magsisimula na side, it's either na right side or on the left side. Or pwede rin naman sa the bottom of the first box. So side is either left and right sides, and then the bottom of the ladder, the first box, the bottom of the first box. Ito. Yan. Okay? So, itong part 1, medyo mahaba-haba ng kaunti kasi nga may introduction akong ganito before we perform. Okay? So, I hope myself is clear at naintindihan yung aking kaunting introduction. Okay? So, now, the first one is nasa aking kodigo. The forward sprint. Forward sprint. Okay? Sa forward sprint, you will run, you will sprint inside the box. One in each box. Isa-isang box nyong dadaanan. I will do it. So I will stay on the bottom of the first box. So ito po ang tinatawag nating sprint forward or forward sprint. Start here. Go. Yan. Okay? Pa. So isa-isa. Isa uling mabilis. Yan. Okay? Ganyan po, I will do it slowly. So ito Yun. Yan. Okay? One in each box. Yan. So gagawin nyo lamang yun ng mabilis. And that is forward sprint. Last time. Forward sprint. Go. Okay. Ganun kasimple ang forward sprint. Okay? Next. Next po ay lateral high knees. Lateral high knees. Tingnan natin lateral high knees. Wait lang ha. Okay. Ito na po ang lateral high knees. Ang lateral high knees ay naka-side view. It's either from the right side or the left side. Okay? Ito. Here, pwedeng dito. Pwedeng dito sa kabila. Okay? Yan. So, lateral high knees. High knees. Okay? And then lateral, going side by side. Shuffle. I'll do it in a slow manner. Slow. Okay? In each box. Yan. Ready? Go! Yan. Ganun po ang high knees ha. One in each box. Okay? Ready? Go! Yan. Yun po ang high knees. Nakakangalay. Okay? High knees. Next. We have Iki shuffle. Iki shuffle. Iki shuffle. So, shuffle po, meron po tayong 3 steps. So it's either kayo galing sa left side or galing sa right side. Okay, Iki shuffle. Okay, so I will place myself on the left side of the box. Para yung kanan, ang aking imumove first. Okay, first step. This one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, ulit. 1, 2, 3. And then, kung ano po yung naiwang paa sa loob, yun ang first step. Yun ang first step. Okay? Wait, i-adjust ko ang aking move. Yan. Kung ano ang aking first step, kung ano ang naiwan doon sa loob ng box, yun ang first step. Okay? I will repeat. Okay, so, right, left, right. So, naiwan ang aking kaliwa, so ang kaliwa ang aking i-move forward. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Naiwan si kanan. Kanan is the first step going forward. 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, nakuha ba? Ganun kasimple ang Iki shuffle. I will do it in a slow muna. Slow motion. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nagets ba? I will do it as fast as I can. Iki shuffle. Go! Yan. 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 Mabagal pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Ready? Go! Yan. Para ka lang nagsasayaw. Moving, moving. Okay? Nagets ba? I hope nakuha niyo yung aking Iki shuffle. So, sa ngayon, akin munang ikakat. So, nakakatatlo pa lang tayo, ha? I will cut first. And then, let's see the next movement para ma-demonstrate ko ulit. Okay, ready? Wait pala.